Label. Label is used for placing text in a container to display a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by a programmer, but a user cannot edit it directly. A label with break in Java is called. To terminate the label statement, it does not transfer the flow of control to the label. Control flow is transferred to the statement immediately following the labeled terminator statement. We have unlable and continue also. We can use them based on the requirement in the program. Let's see an example with combination of label and break statements. As always, first defining a class and main method of Java, giving a boolean expression called t equal to true. Remember, the default value of boolean variable is always false. Here I am going to take 3 labels and giving text inside as follows. First, second, third, with text of this is third label, second and first labels. To use break statement, here I am giving if of t, this is true value, break second, means to break second statement which moves the cursor directly at the end of second label and prints the third label. See, here is the output where the program skips to print text of this statement will not execute, and this is from second label, and prints only this is the first label and this is third label because of break statement.